Hey everyone, welcome to the second edition of Foodie Friday. Thanks for joining me. Today's recipe is going to be a roasted red pepper spread or dip, whichever way you want to use it. It can be spicy or not spicy. It's got feta and roasted peppers and garlic and our right now favorite spicy Calabrian pesto olive oil. Obviously, I'm obsessed right now. It won't last forever. I'll get a new product out there next week, I promise. I just love it so much. And I hope you do too. So everyone have a great weekend and enjoy the following recipe demonstration, and hope you can squeeze this into your weekend because it is lovely.